Are there ingredients to a great story? Yeah, you could say that. I'd say there are 5 ingredients to every great story ever. Today, share those 5 ingredients with you and help you get started to consider how you could use those 5 ingredients in your own story. So episode 3 here, 30 days with 30 ways to make better writing easy. I'm Rob McLeod. I've been a teacher for 12 years, taught a lot of people how to write from ages 8 to 83, and all of them have said that this has been really helpful, along with a lot of the other tips that I'm sharing with you over these 30 days. So what are the 5 ingredients of every great story ever? You'll find them in a 3-part Star Wars trilogy. You'll find them in a single episode, probably, of your favorite Netflix series, probably in your favorite book, and possibly even in a lot of short stories. Those 5 ingredients to every great story ever are a character who wants something, they can't have it, so they do something about it, and then something changes because of what they do. So there's 5 ingredients: a character, a want, a can't, a do, and a change. A character who wants something, they can't have it, so they do something about that, and then something changes because of what they do. Now, if you're listening to me or watching, check out the description for the link to storycraftingcompany.com. On the website, I've laid out all the videos and all the resources you need to do for these exercises. As we've said, great writing is just the strengthening of 2 muscles, your ideas muscle and your words muscle. And today's exercise is to help you build up this ideas muscle. The idea of the exercise today is to sit down, think of your favorite story. Now, this could be a movie, could be a TV show, could be a novel, could be a graphic novel, story, whatever. Whatever your favorite story is, sit down and think, okay, could I boil this story, no matter how long or how short the story is, down to just kind of these 5 sentences? Who's the character? What is it that they want? Why can't they have what they want? What do they do about that? And then what changes because of what they do? So your exercise today, take your favorite story, and you can use the resource that's on storycraftingcompany.com and simply write out who's the character, what do they want, why can't they have it, what do they do about it, and then what changes because of what they do. Today you're taking someone else's story to look at this. Of course, as we go, we'll begin to help you to plan a story by answering these questions. Who's the character? What do they want? Why can't they have it? What do they do about it? And then what changes? There you have it. You can think of every story ever as just being composed of those 5 ingredients, and this will help make better writing easier for you.